Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Cryptocurrency Odyssey. Today I'm going to be talking about the resources I use to make a decision on if I'm going to do a trade or not, and the amount of research that I put into going out to find something to trade, pretty much. All right, so Investopedia.com, I've talked about this website multiple times. It is a great resource for both cryptocurrency as well as just regular assets on the stock market. All right, as you can see, search results for the most common type of trading patterns leads me to an introduction to trading types, technical trading, which is just simply put technical analysis. That's when you go in and you learn to read charts. Pretty much that's all you're doing is learning to read charts, and this is the first part of trading chart, or learning to read charts so you can trade more effectively. And once again, trying to do technical analysis on a cryptocurrency is extremely difficult to do, all right, because it's just so volatile that the chart could be telling you three different things at three different times, or at the same time, even, because you might be looking at it for any amount of time. It could go up, it could go down, it could go sideways, all within 15 minutes. Just how volatile the market is on cryptocurrency. But this is a great resource for learning about cryptocurrency, how to trade in general, and how to become a better trader. And I implore anybody who wants to trade on the stock market to use Investopedia. If you see somebody say, "Hey, a head and shoulders is forming on this chart," and you don't know what a head and shoulders is, type it into Investopedia's search function and find out. All right. Another website I like to use is barchart.com. All right, this is the investing section right here, which is where I have my bookmark at. The whole reason I use this one is because it's another good indicator of a website that has some decent knowledge. These ones right here are mostly penny stocks. Actually, all of them are penny stocks because that's what I have it filtered by. Sorry about that. But yeah, every now and again I like to look at cheap stocks. I don't do a whole lot of over the counter trading, or pink sheets, as some people might call them. But every now and again I like to find the ones that are above $1, or might be on the NASDAQ, that might have some sort of up upside to them because they fell or something like that. In today's market, there's going to be a whole lot of upside coming in a year or two, probably. All right, so now's probably a good time to get into the market. So it's a down economy. The market's down. Things are cheap. Might as well buy in because eventually the market's going to go up and your money's going to go up too with it. So Finviz.com, which is financial visualizations. I extremely like this one. Extremely like it. The reason for that is that you got everything you need right here. You got your signals that you can down here, that you can do your you can look at what's going up or down based off the signal that it's giving. You know, let's just do double bottom for giggles. All right. And then you just scroll through, you see you got ones with double bottoms. Take a look, see what's up with them, see if you like it. I mean, you can look up this for anything you need, you know. Um, they have top gainers, new highs, overboughts, unusual volume, upgrades, insider buying. Let's see here. Insider selling, earnings, downgrades, most active, most volatile, oversold, new low, top losers. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler to figuring out what you might need. Down here, you got your bull and bear market sentiment. Just a few minutes ago was at 51% bear and like 49% bull, so that's obviously changed since. As most sentiment does, it changes minute by minute, day by day. Sentiment trading is highly volatile and highly risky. So I would suggest not doing it unless you are good. If you're good, do sentiment trading. Or if you don't mind losing money, do sentiment trading. All right. As you can see right here, you have a whole overview of the market, and some of the biggest companies are that have the most market share. Their little squares are bigger than other companies, and as you can see, the squares get smaller and smaller and smaller. And you can see that there's quite a bit of red, which means that there's quite a bit of downgrading, or sorry, there's quite a bit of the market's down quite a bit if there's red. I like to see it when it's green because then it just looks like a Christmas tree. Uh, Now, something I do want to say about this is, like, if you guys are wondering why it says upgrades or downgrades, those are analysts downgrading a stock to either a buy or to a sell or hold or something like that from maybe a buy. Upgrades over here just means that a analyst or three have said, hey, this is a better stock to buy. It's looking like it might be better, so they're upgrading their their analysis of it from probably a sell to a buy or maybe even a hold. Who knows? I'm not going to look. But anyways, that's what those mean. Overbought, unusual volume. Unusual volume ones are considered to be volatile stocks because if they have unusual volume, then they could go down at any time. As you can see, this one unusual volume that I have highlighted right now is also overbought, meaning that if you're going by an RSI indicator, Google it, or sorry, Investopedia that if you don't know what an RSI indicator is. Means that it's probably going to go down just as much as it's rising today. So if you bought, say, at $2.33 or $2.30 or whatever, that LVTX, you're probably going to see by the end of the week, I wouldn't be surprised to see it go down by half of what it's gone up by, if not more. And today LVTX is on this ticker right here 3 times because it's overbought, there's unusual volume, and it's a top gainer. Now that's something that you probably want to in my opinion look at and see what type of news came out or corporate actions that have been done, because if it's on there 3 times, that means something's either good or it could be a pump and dump scheme going on there. But this is just a good resource to help you cut through so you don't have to do as much research. You can see what companies are doing good today, what companies are doing bad today, all on one page, and I mean, it just doesn't get any easier, in my opinion. All right. Now, for doing cryptocurrencies, I like to go to CoinMarketCap. And as you can see, I have Ethereum up right now. I'm just looking at it for funsies. All right. Today it's up 2.5%, a little more than 2.5%. All right. You can scroll down here, look at the market dominance, the market rank, market cap, fully diluted market cap. And then if you come back up here, you got your white paper, everything you need to know about the currency. Currently, there's 21,093 cryptocurrencies. We can click that and we can see they're ranked from one to last. All right. I really like CoinMarketCap for the wealth of knowledge that it can give you, or at least the wealth of information that it can give you on every single cryptocurrency that's out there. All right. It's because every single one of them, regardless of what you click on, they got the white paper right there. All right. You don't have to Google the white paper. You don't have to search through 100 different pages. You just go to CoinMarketCap and the white paper is right there if it's listed on CoinMarketCap, which it should be, because CoinMarketCap, as far as I know, doesn't sell any crypto as far as I know. They might, I don't know. All right, don't take my word for that. But they do have all the information you need to find whatever you need to find on any coin that's out right now on the market. All right, just all good information to have. It's great information that anybody can use. This is information that I've used every day that I go researching. All right. And I do spend hours upon hours researching, 5, 6 hours whenever I decide to look into something. All right. Well, if you guys have any questions or comments, just go ahead and leave them down in the comments section. I will reply as quickly as I can. You can also subscribe and like if you like this content. Thank you, and I hope you all have a good Monday morning.